In this Rock Like the Pros video for the 10-day intermediate practice and technique challenge, we're going to take that major scale. I've been telling you we're going to do a lot with this major scale. We're going to take this major scale. We're going to play a sequence. This sequence is called Every Other Note. Welcome to Rock Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter, and great job for making a commitment to yourself and your guitar playing. This one's going to be a great lesson. It's going to challenge you, but trust me, once I show this to you, the sequence, this is something you're going to love playing. It's going to be a lot of fun. Once you get it down, you're going to continue playing this forever. This will be something you're going to hold on to and you'll continue to play. Now, for this challenge, you do know we are giving away not one, but two Kala guitars for this. One for the general challenge and one for the VIPs. All right, I'll talk about the VIPs in a second, but I want to thank Kala for supporting this challenge and supporting you, believing in you. And they're going to give away an orchestra mini guitar. Super, super cool. And in order to have a chance to win that guitar, you just got to do a few things. Make sure you subscribe right here to Rock Like the Pros. Turn on that bell notification. That way you get the alerts when we do these videos. Head on over to Kala's channel as well. Make sure to subscribe to them. Show them a little love for what they're doing here for the challenge. Just sign up below. I guess that's the first thing. Click that link below. Go sign up. You're going to get all the information for it as well. Then you got to post at least one video over on the Rock Like the Pros forum. The more videos you post, the more chance you have to win. Simple as that. And if you would do me a favor, while we're doing this video or the other videos, make sure to hit that like button and then leave some comments below on if you're liking it, if it's hard, how you're doing, what guitar you're playing, whatever. Just interact with me and leave some comments. All right, so that's for the general challenge. That's totally free. You don't have to do anything to join that. But to become a VIP, the VIPs are going to get all the tabs, PDFs, backing tracks, access to the Zoom calls, lifetime access to this stuff, and they're going to have a chance to win a Kala parlor guitar. These things are really, really cool guitars. So I'm stoked that we have two, and I'm stoked on this parlor guitar. I think they're really, really cool guitars. So that's for the VIP. We'll put a link to that below. All right. I'll talk about this guitar here in a second when we get to the lesson part, the tutorial part, but this one is going to be our scale, our G major scale, except we're going to play in a sequence, which is every other note. All right, whew, probably a little fast, but don't worry. We're going to slow it down. I just want to get through it, warm myself up for this. Now, I'm playing my Gibson ES335. My wife, which was then girlfriend, actually bought this for me for my 30th birthday. That means this is a pretty old guitar, but this one is called Ruby. Of course, any guitar will work for this, electric, acoustic, or nylon string. I'll also be using a pick for this lesson. If you need a new guitar, pick, straps, cables, whatever you need, check out the #1 store. That's store.ukulekethepros.com. All right, the major scale. So first of all, if you don't have the major scale down, you want to make sure you get it down. Just this. You got to get that down. Get it memorized. Okay, that's what the other lessons are. So I'm not going to go over the scale, but in order to play today's lesson, you got to have a good handle of it because we're going to be doing what's called a sequence, which is every other note. Let me show you. All right, so that was just a little part of it. Now we're going to start right here on the G note on the 6th string, 3rd fret, 2nd finger. You're going to skip the next note, which would be the 5th fret, and you're going to go down to the 5th string, 2nd fret. Now you're going to go back up to the 6th string, that note you just skipped, 5th fret. Now down to the 5th string, 3rd fret. Now go back to the note you just skipped, which is the 2nd fret. Reach up to the 5th fret with the pinky. Now go back to the 3rd fret. Now you're going to go down to the 4th string, 2nd fret, back to the 5th string, 5th fret. Now you're going to use your 3rd finger to go down to the 4th string, 4th fret, back to the 2nd fret, up to the 5th fret, to the 4th fret, that's your 3rd finger, down a string to the 2nd fret, back to the 5th fret, Now down to the 4th fret. 2nd. Reach up to the 5th fret. To the 4th fret. Now you're going to go down a string to the 3rd fret with your 2nd finger. Back up to the 5th fret. Now you're going to just roll the pinky down to the 5th fret, 2nd string, back to the 3rd fret. Now to the 1st string, 2nd fret, 5th fret. Now there's your root right there, 1st string, 3rd fret, then 2nd fret, and then reach up to the 5th fret. Now that's the ascending pattern. You're going to go all the way up doing that. Woo, it's tricky. It's really tricky. So you got to take it slowly and get it down. Let's just try it here without the backing track yet. 2, 3, 4. So it's 1. How are you doing so far? Is it tricky? Is it hard? Leave a comment below. Let me know how you're doing. All right, so now that we just ended here, that's our last one. Now we're going to go back to the 1st string, 3rd fret. That's your root. That's a G note, just like this note we started on. And you're going to go backwards now. So it's going to go 3rd fret. Now up a string to the 5th fret. Back to the 1st string, 2nd fret. 2nd string, 3rd fret. Follow the fingers I'm using. Now you're going to go to the 2nd string, 5th fret. Roll that up to the 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd fret. Now up to the 4th fret, 5th fret of the 3rd string, to the 2nd, 4, up to the 5th, back to the 2nd, now up to the 4th fret, 5, now to the 2nd fret, 4th fret, now up to the 5th string, 5th fret, down, now up to the 3rd fret, there we go, now 5, 2, 3, now up to the 6th string, 5th fret, back down to the 2nd, now here's your root, now 5, and then we're going to add a note here, which is your 2nd fret of the 6th string, and then you're going to end right on the starting note, which is your G. Woo! Even to explain that, there's a lot going on. So let's try it. Let's try the ascending pattern. Nope, descending pattern from the 1st string, 3rd fret. Here we go. No backing track, but we're going to do that here in just a second. 3, 4, and... How cool is that? It's such a great exercise. And now what's going to happen is your ear is going to get used to this pattern. And so if you get off a note, your ear, so this is great ear training, it's going to tell you when you're off. So, all right, this is really cool. Don't forget, this is the intermediate. All right, we have a beginning technique course, but this is intermediate. So this is tough. But like I mentioned, these are going to be things that you're going to use after this video. You're going to continue to use this as a warm-up, as a technique builder. So really make sure you get it down. You ready? Let's go ahead now and try the whole thing down and up with the backing track. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how you get it done right there. First take, had to concentrate, really make sure I was playing everything clearly, accurately, and with the backing track. That was a medium back track. That was 120. The VIPs get that. They also get the slow backing track. We also have faster backing tracks as well. even longer backing track so you can work up and down the neck. So anyway, become a VIP. Click that link below. All right, what do you got to do? Well, you got to practice this. You got to get it down. You got to post a video of yourself playing this over on the Rock Like the Pros forum. That's the free forum. You got to post at least one video from this challenge to be entered to win that Kala guitar. Now, what do you think? Are you liking this? Is it hard? Is it easy? Is it challenging? But if it is challenging, is it fun? Is it motivating? Is it something like, okay, I'm struggling with it, but I'm going to get it down? Okay, that's what we want. We want you to learn and be motivated to continue to practice this kind of stuff. If you like this kind of stuff, okay, if you like what we're doing here on the guitar, make sure to check out rocklikethepros.com. We got our courses over there. We got a fantastic premium membership as well. And then stay tuned, because after this challenge, we're going to do an advanced technique workshop. Okay, that's going to be really cool. We're going to have an early bird special right now. We'll put a link to that below if you want to go sign up for the advanced technique workshop. Stick with this. You got this. Continue working on it. Matter of fact, every time you pick up your guitar, you should be playing this until you get it down. And then even after that, you should still be playing it. So that's going to do it for this one. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.